This video is going to demonstrate how you can divide polynomials and model that using algebra tiles. The example given is one polynomial, which is negative 4x squared plus 2x, being divided by a second polynomial, which is just 2x. So we're going to use an area model to represent this operation. And the way I start is I look at my divisor first, and it's 2x. And I'm going to set up one of my dimensions for the area model as the divisor. So 2 positive x tiles going down one side. And what this is going to do is help us organize our numerator into equal groups, which is what division really is. So here's our numerator. It's negative 4x squared plus 2x, and that has to be represented in this area here. So 2 equal groups of negative 4x squared. That means I have 4 negative x squared tiles. Well, how can I split those equally into 2 groups? If you think about it for a moment, you might realize that I would have to have 2 of my negative x squared tiles in each of those equal groups. And I know I have to have 2 of them because I have 2 x squared x tiles set up on the side here. So I've got my 2x. Right now I have negative 4x squared accounted for. Well, there's another term in this polynomial as well. It's positive 2x. Well, how can I split this into 2 equal groups? Well, if you think about it, I just need to have 1 of my positive x tiles in each of the 2 groups that I've created. And if I look at this quickly, I can see that they are indeed equal, and I've now accounted for both the terms in my numerator. From this step, we need to try and figure out, well, what's the quotient? What's the answer? And it's going to be the other dimension in our area model. And here's how you can think about it. If we have a positive x, what can we multiply it by in order to end up with a negative x squared tile? Well, think about the sign first. Positive multiplied by a negative is going to end up with a negative product. So I know that this tile must be negative to start. In order to go from an x to an x squared, I need to be multiplying by an x tile. So this must be a negative x. Now, that's going to be the same thing for this one as well, because positive x times negative x is going to give me a negative x squared. Okay, so let's take a look at the other term in this area. We have a positive x. What can I multiply my positive x over here by in order to end up with just a positive x? Well, this one's not too complicated. This is just going to be a positive 1 unit tile. It's just x times 1 equals x. Therefore, I know my answer now must be negative 2x plus 1. This is the quotient. This is your simplified polynomial right here. And that is how you can use algebra tiles to model division.